Hello, Ferndale and Milton Freewater community. I'm so excited to be here to tell you about some events at Ferndale. First thing, I want to thank the community for all of the generosity of donating cans for the canned food drive this month. We collected 1,313 cans, and our top three classes were Miss Moniak's class, Miss Denman's class, and Mrs. Neal's class. We thank you, parents, for sending that food in, and it will be shared across the community with people in need. Our fourth grade cooking club will continue on January 10th when we get back from winter break, which is December 23rd through January 3rd. I hope everyone has a wonderful winter break. MAPS testing begins on January 8th, and so we want to make sure students are well rested and ready to go when we return. Our Ferndale Dual Language Night is on January 9th, and that's from 5:30 to 6:30. So if your child participates in the dual language program, come on in and you'll make some things to be able to take home. Well, we didn't have a Christmas program this year at Ferndale, and part of the reason is because we don't have our band instruments yet. And so some teachers thought, let's bring some festive joy to the halls, and so the classrooms all chose some songs, and they are caroling through the halls and through the classrooms to bring that festive joy. So we thank them for that. And then the last item I'd like to talk about is our attendance challenge. So our bracket was set up for November and December, and our winner on the championship side of the bracket was Mrs. Wheeler's class with a 92% attendance, and our consolation side of the bracket was Mrs. Riggs' class, and they were at a 93%. So congratulations to all those that are keeping their attendance above 90%. And then the end of quarter is January 30th. So we are coming really close to the end of the second quarter, and we're excited at where we're at now. So I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday season, and we will see you back here on January 6th.